Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson here today to show you. This is a 2019 G23. It's one of our 19s that we still have in stock. Got some great pricing on all our 19s. This one in particular here has the Admiral Blue, and it has the metal flake here. Interior of the boat is the Frost Gray, again with the Admiral Blue. So it's a good color combination. We got the 8/8 up on the speaker, or up on the tower, speaker JLs. We got the power tower for 2019 that was standard, and again that power tower does go backward, so it's a lot easier to get in and out of lifts or docks or whatever you need. You got nice bow placement, obviously G23, great surf, great wakeboard boat. This is down in Rogers, Minnesota, so if you want to get more information on this boat or any other 19s that we have, come on down. And as always, like this video and click to subscribe and follow with all the videos that we have coming out daily.